So I got a new Glowforge. Turns out, what was that? Yeah, I'm almost done. All right, bye, thanks. So I got a new Glowforge, and this is the first Pro I have. That's a plus. And the reason why that I got a Glowforge is that I had so many credits, they actually paid for themselves. People's don't really understand that this is something that you can... Yeah, I was going to do that at the end. No, I'm going to tell them why I got it. No, they get $500. If they order one, I get $500. It adds up. I'm going to do that at the very end. All right. So one of the big surprises with Glowforge is that the referral program is like it's one of a kind. It's like a miracle marketing thing that they did, and it's still going on. So both of these machines were paid for by the referral program. So I have a coupon code. So if you use it, it's glowforge.com/hacklab, and I'll put it down below. But also, I guess I'll offer you the free file. So if you use my referral code, I have an online store of different vector files you're welcome to have. Just let me know, and I get your name and your first initial, and I'll happy to give you a coupon code for all my digital files that are in there. But I appreciate that. So the reason why that I got this Glowforge is my cat just peed on my skateboard.